In the bustling town of Willow Creek, a special event was coming up, the Great Kids Cooking Competition. Kids from all around were excited to participate, and this year's challenge was to create the yummiest and most creative dish. Meet the contestants. There were three main contestants, Leo, Mia, and Jake. Leo loved making desserts. His specialty was cupcakes with colorful frosting, and he was known for always adding a sprinkle of magic, also known as glittery sugar. Mia had a talent for savory dishes. She loved making mini pizzas with lots of vegetables and cheese. She called her pizzas veggie rainbows because they were so colorful. Jake was a genius with sandwiches. He could stack a sandwich with layers of fruit, cheese, and even peanut butter without it toppling over. Everyone loved Jake's creative sandwiches with silly faces made from fruits and veggies. The challenge begins. The contestants gathered in the town hall kitchen, where Chef Lily, the head judge, gave them their surprise challenge. They had to make a dish using only 3 ingredients: bananas, honey, and oats. The kids had 30 minutes to come up with something unique. Time starts now, Chef Lily announced, and the kids got to work. Leo's banana cupcake bites. Leo quickly mashed the bananas, mixed in the oats, and drizzled honey. He poured his mixture into little cupcake molds and added a pinch of cinnamon from the extras table. As he popped his mini cupcakes into the oven, he hoped they'd turn out just right. Mia's rainbow banana smoothie. Mia had an idea for a smoothie. She blended bananas, a bit of honey, and a handful of oats. Then, she added a few blueberries and strawberries from the extras table. Her smoothie turned out thick and creamy, with pretty layers of colors. Jake's banana oat energy bars. Jake decided to make energy bars. He mixed mashed bananas, oats, and honey into a thick paste, pressed it into a square pan, and added a few sunflower seeds from the extras table for a crunchy topping. He cut his creation into small, chewy bars. The tasting. When the timer rang, each contestant placed their dish in front of Chef Lily. She tasted each one thoughtfully. The winner. After tasting each dish, Chef Lily announced, the winner of the Great Kids Cooking Competition is Mia. Her smoothie was creative, colorful, and delicious. Leo and Jake cheered for their friend, and everyone got to share each other's dishes. They all agreed that no matter who won, it was the tastiest competition ever. And from that day on, Leo, Mia, and Jake became best friends, always cooking up new, fun recipes together in Willow Creek.